Additionally, beyond just doing your calf raise in this neutral position where the long axis of my foot, which is represented by my second toe, is perpendicular to the edge of the platform or the step, I'm going to turn out 30 degrees. And I'm going to do that same slow duration there. It's going to hit a different portion of my calf. But the principles are the same. I'm pushing through the base of the first and second toe. My toes aren't pushing into the platform. They're still extended. And I'm slowly descending. This is going to allow for you to access, again, just a little bit more of that medial gastroc. Additionally, you can do your inverted position. Again, this is a little bit more challenging and not as intuitive for folks, but it's still worthwhile to get a comprehensive development. So once again, toes extended, I bottom out as far as I can go. I push back up the foot, and you can see the long axis is tilted by about 30 degrees inward, again, trying to hit a different portion of the muscle. Okay? Tempo is the same. You can come up nice and quick, hold, own the position there, and then a 5-second descent. Okay, so if you're training 3 days a week, it would be advantageous to, on day 1, fatigue this position. On day 2, fatigue that position. On day 3, you're hitting your calf at a different angle. And this is really critical given the changes that we see in the gastroc in the calf after said Achilles-based injury or repair.